In this video, we will be discussing how to configure the MD520 for Ethercat communication. In order to use this communication, you will need the MD500-E CAT expansion card. For this tutorial, we will be using an Inovance MD520 PLC to control the MD520 drive. The first step is to install the expansion card by lining up the pins to the terminal block and pushing the card all the way in as pictured. Next, screw in the support screw and connect the grounding pin to the ground screw on the drive. In the MD520 Quick Start Guide video, we covered basic wiring and motor setup. Please review that video up to motor auto-tuning before returning to continue the setup. Once you have completed those steps, we will begin by setting up the control mode. We will start by pressing the back button, navigating to the F0 field, and pressing OK. Starting from F0-01, we can change the motor control mode. For this example, we will keep it at 2, which is velocity over frequency. F0-02 is used to change the command source. We will change this to value to 2 in order to set the command source to the communication card. Next, we will change F0-03 to 9, which utilizes communication for the frequency input. The next fields we will change are F0-10 and F0-12. F0-10 is the max output frequency of the drive, and F0-12 is the max motor running frequency. The final parameter to change is F0-28. We will change this to 1, which selects the communication card as the serial communication protocol. Once we have done this, we need to cycle the power to apply the communication changes. After the drive powers up again, there should be 2 more green LEDs indicating proper communication. Finally, I will be demonstrating how to add the MD520 Ethercat device into the AutoShop program and running it off of a sample program. Firstly, head over to the toolbox on the right-hand side, right-click on Ethercat devices, and click Import Device XML. Once we have registered the device into AutoShop, we can now add the device to the project. From the same toolbox under Ethercat devices, click on Inovance Devices, Frequency Inverter, and double-click on MD521 axis. You can also right-click on Ethercat under the Project Manager and click Autoscan. This method will also add all devices under the same Ethercat network. Once we have added the device, you double-click the new device to open the configuration information. The main tabs we need to pay attention to are the process data and the I/O functional mapping. Under process data, ensure that the inputs and outputs are both checked. Next, under I/O functional mapping, you can see the proper tags to modify or monitor for the drive. Here we have a sample program that will be available for download. We also have a sample HMI program to be used with the Inovance HMI program, but you can also manually modify the tag within the program. Here are all the tags, available values, and corresponding definition. When we modify the output values, we can observe changes in the drive behavior. We can also track and monitor changes to the input values as the state of the drive continues to change. This has been a guide to configure the MD520 inverter drive with Ethercat communications. Please check out the other videos on our channel for more ways to set up the drive or help setting up other Inovance devices.